The Malaysian Automotive Association said the price of locally assembled completely knocked down or CKD cars is expected to increase by between 8 and 20% next year. This is based on the new open market value excise duty calculation method. MAA President Dato' Aisyah Ahmad told reporters after the MAA annual general meeting on Friday that the implementation of the excise duty calculation method had been postponed from 2020.
The issues that we face right now, I think, is the government in 2020, they have changed the division of the open market value to say that other than manufacturing costs will be included in the calculation of excise duty. In the calculation of excise duty, which means if that happens, the car prices on the road will increase from 8 to 20%. And we have written to the government to appeal because they have given us the exemption until the end of 2022. We have appealed to say to the government, please let us know whether they will be extended or not, because it's very important to the industry. If it's not extended, it means that all car prices will go up. So we have asked them to extend it further, because if not, it's not fair to the industry where car prices will just shoot up in price. We have written to them, I think, and we're waiting for them to respond to us. Because it's until the end of 2022, right now it's only March, you still have until December. But we will be lobbying and also re-appealing to the government on this issue because it really affects the industry.
Aisyah said there have been a greater demand for electric vehicles in Malaysia.
The demand for electric vehicles has improved tremendously since the government announced the zero import duties, excise duties, as well as sales tax zero for CKD and 50% for CBU. But now, because of the sales tax exemption, it's still zero for CBU. The demand has been there, but the numbers that are picking up is still very small. Last year is 274 units of electric vehicles were registered, and this year in February only 30 units. But definitely there's a lot of interest and people are gearing up, to build up electric vehicles in Malaysia. And I think going forward you will see a lot more, especially when the infrastructure is ready to accept. Right now the problem is West Coast, you have the ability to charge, especially with superchargers, but on the East Coast as well as Sabah, Sarawak is not available. And for the electric vehicles, normally it's those people who can afford it, who can have a second car, that's where they buy the electric vehicles. Okay? But the demand will definitely increase, that's for sure.
MAA also said they may not organize the Kuala Lumpur International Motor Show this year due to the COVID-19 situation, but they will discuss and see when the motor show will be held again.